Hey dearie, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. On this very video, I'm going to be showing you the cake I made in the oven versus the cake I made in the air fryer. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's go straight into the video. And don't hesitate to let me know at the end of the video what you think about this video. So, to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my unsubscribers but always watching my video, I pray God touches you one day and you will subscribe. So let's get straight into the video. To avoid wasting your time and making this video straight, I have in my bowl 6 eggs room temperature, and I'm gonna be whisking this with my hands. This video is a non-machine video, it's just hand mixing. So we're gonna be mixing this thoroughly, make sure they are thoroughly well combined, and then I will be adding the rest ingredients. And to find the ingredients I use in this video, it will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to check on it if you want to create this recipe. And this recipe is a cake recipe of carrots recipe made with orange zest and orange juice. But because I didn't know my video was off videoing, so I skipped that, or that wasn't captured. But nevertheless, let's go straight. And the other one was mixed fruit and a plain vanilla. So all these three types of cake mixed in one bowl. This video is gonna be a bomb, but it was so painful that I couldn't capture the part that I added the carrot and the orange zest with the orange juice. So I just added my vanilla essence. So I'm gonna put all these ingredients in the description box, and for what I'm doing now is adding all my wet ingredients. And after adding all my wet ingredients, I'll be adding in my dried ingredients. Check the description box for all the ingredients that I use and the quantity. So now I'm adding my flour and baking powder and baking soda. So I already combined this together, mixed with the flour. So I'm gonna make sure I sieve this to avoid lumps in my cake. You want to make sure you sieve your flour to avoid the lumps, okay? So you can choose to add spices like nutmeg or cinnamon, but in my case I didn't add any of it. And this is a quick Easter cake recipe if you want to give it a try. This is how your batter should look like. This is the consistency you should have your batter to avoid over thick of cake or avoiding your cake not being well cooked. So after that, after combining and making my batter, I'm gonna share this into two. And this was the one I added my carrots, orange zest and orange juice, yeah, to make my Easter carrot cake. So I will just transfer this into a bowl and be putting this in the oven. I decided to put this in the oven because it was much more than the other batter that I separated. So I'm gonna make sure I put this in the oven now, and make sure you put your oven to 180 degree and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. So like I said, I'm adding some dried fruits in some parts of the cake of the batter, and I'll be leaving the other side as just plain vanilla cake. So meanwhile, they are both gonna go in one pan using my silicone pan. Using my silicone pan is gonna go into my hair fryer because I think the size is more suitable for my hair fryer. So I put this glass in the middle of the silicone pan to help me separate the batter from spreading so easily, because I was gonna make it making it one side vanilla and one side fruit. So I don't want them mix together. So that is why I put the glass to help me separate the batter not to easily spread totally in the pan. To all my membership supporting this channel, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel by joining my membership, and a big shout out to Mr. Best Davis Show. Thank you, sir, for always supporting this channel. And if you haven't checked out this channel, check this channel out to get your latest news information and update on your Nollywood movies. Subscribe to this channel to get the updates early. Now my batter is ready, so I'll be putting this into my hair fryer, setting it for 180 degree for 30 minutes. Then I will be giving it the check, and then I will be back. So my hair fryer says if I'm baking cupcakes, I should bake cupcake for 200 degree 15 to 18 minutes. The one this you see is from the hair fryer. This was from the hair fryer. You can see it was well baked, but for a professional use, I wouldn't advise you to use a hair fryer. If you're baking for a professional use, I wouldn't advise you to use a hair fryer, or I don't know if it is because I used a silicone pan. So, but for the oven, you see it's just in place, perfect, the color, everything super. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, leave me a comment. Bye until next video.